Nvidia has officially confirmed that it is investigating serious gaming issues reported after the Windows January 11, 2026 update, known as KB5074109. This update was expected to be a minor security patch, but for many users, it has turned into a major headache. What is the issue? After installing Windows 11 Update KB5074109, several users started reporting problems such as black screens before the desktop loads, black screens when launching games, graphic artifacts and visual glitches, FPS drops, especially in demanding games. Games like Forza Horizon 5 are among the most affected. In testing, systems experienced a black screen before the desktop appeared. In some cases, the desktop wallpaper was reset automatically. The issue does not affect all users, but when it does, the impact is noticeable. On Nvidia's official forums, users reported strange shadow artifacts and rectangles appearing during gameplay. Others confirmed a performance drop of up to 20 FPS and worse 1% lows. Multiple users stated that uninstalling KB5074109 immediately fixed the problem. Similar complaints also appeared on Windows' latest and Microsoft's Feedback Hub. Nvidia engineer Manuel confirmed that the company is actively investigating the issue. He noted that removing Windows 11 Update KB5074109 appears to resolve game artifacts for now. Even though the issue started after a Windows update, Nvidia is still looking into it. What about the black screen fix? Microsoft released an optional update called KB5074105. This update fixes black screen issues in certain environments, according to Microsoft's release notes. However, it does not appear to fix gaming artifacts. Should you uninstall the update? KB5074109 is a mandatory January 2026 update and is likely installed on your system. If you are not experiencing issues, uninstalling updates is not recommended. Windows 11 runs on over 1 billion devices, and not everyone is affected. If you are facing artifacts or crashes, uninstalling KB5074109 is currently the only confirmed workaround. Nvidia continues to investigate the problem, and a permanent fix may arrive in future updates. Until then, affected users should proceed carefully. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more Windows 11 and tech updates.